This is MapMyFitness, and I have my privacy settings on here. It's set to private. 2 routes that I created. My routes. These are 2 routes that I created here and here. So I changed the privacy setting on public to this route right here. And I did bookmark a route that somebody else made right here. I have imported a workout. I imported it from MyFitnessPal. So let's look at the workout that I imported. Was this run right here that I imported. And it shows up again on the calendar right there, 45 minutes. Imported from MyFitnessPal.